Alright, so this is Shark. We're in Orlando right now. We're getting ready to take a helicopter tour over Orlando and SeaWorld and see a couple different things. It's about a 3-minute trip, so it's going to be a good video. Matter of fact, here comes my ride right now. So my ride just pulled up, so now we got to go get on the ride. I'm gonna take you guys through the whole trip. We're gonna take a tour over Orlando. 2 people banged out about 57 bucks for the trip, which, you know, 3-minute trip, you know, they got a good hustle. So we're gonna get on the helicopter. My ride's waiting on me, so right now I gotta go. It's go time. Let's get in the helicopter. I'm getting ready to go up in the thing. Getting my ride, you know, they pulled it around. I got valet parking. They parked my helicopter for me, you know how I do it, you know, big things. I don't know why there's people inside my helicopter though.
Mr. Shark? Was everything okay?
Alright, so that was freaking awesome. That was freaking nuts. Alright, so oh, it's great. It's great. Alright, so valet parking, they're getting ready to go clean up my helicopter. You know, put a new wax coat on it. I didn't really care for the wax they used. You know, I like carnauba wax. Put some Armor All on the, well, it don't have tires, so they're gonna have to like Armor All the steering wheel and shit. And there it is.